Hey, this is Karampal. Today I am going to discuss about our real fundamental nature. In today's scenario, what is happening is people are more stressful. They are more busy. They believe in others than themselves. What is happening? They are more unhappy. Why these things are happening today? Because we have forget our real fundamental nature. Our real fundamental nature is to be free, to be happy, living the life. Today we associate our happiness with the future, with the dreams, with the targets. Stop doing that. Don't associate your happiness with the targets you want to achieve. You are happiness. Believe in yourself. Live the life with courage, with freedom, with enthusiasm. And no one is restricting you. Only you are restricting yourself. You are free. Nobody is saying that you don't do that or don't achieve that. Even if others are saying, you don't believe. You believe yourself. It is your life. Live it with enthusiasm. Live it with happiness. Thank you. Thank you so much.